Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Dynaudio's C2 Platinum floor standing speaker. These amazing floor standing speakers are at the pinnacle of some of Dynaudio's technology. And in Mocha, which is the finish we have today, they are astonishing. You'll see, and please hang around for the photographs we'll take at the end, you'll see matched wood grains, beautiful polish finish, and of course the Dynaudio engineering we have all grown to love. So firstly, these things, they're astonishing. They come in shipping crates to try and ensure that they come to you in immaculate condition. So taking these apart, you need a drill. Unless you want to take all day and use a hand screwdriver. So, screws. There's quite a few, 2, 3. All of them. They recommend that you start with this and get rid of all of these. And hopefully we'll get an opportunity to see the insides and all the packaging before we have to take some layers off. As well. And away we go with the first. Now if we have a look, you can see that there's individual packaging associated, well, framing associated with keeping these speakers in the right place. And we'll get an opportunity to see all of the additional packaging that this product has. Like any Dynaudio, they have very hard wearing foam packaging. You can see examples of them here. They're all molded to exactly the right size and shape. It protects all 4 corners. And then an additional piece specifically, look at the size of that, specifically to protect the base. Then there's another layer, and again it requires the use of a drill to ensure that all the screws come out quickly to get the next layer off. So in the end, there's actually quite a few screws, obviously, but they've taken the care to ensure that this packaging and box is brilliantly well assembled, so that there's very, very little risk of any damage in transit. Okay, there we go, much easier. Now at this point you reveal the care that has been taken to preserve this product as it sits inside this crate. You've got the end cap covered with some specific bubble paper and a plastic bag over it as well. This is the first little snapshot into the speaker as we have a look at its end. Okay, now we're just going to carefully lift this speaker up. Come to me. And stand it up for a moment where we get an impression for the first time of its physical size. Again, getting rid of all of these extra little pieces, and then the end part is relatively straightforward to get rid of. From there on in, we get to see this product and the finish for the first time, and it's beautiful. This polish cloth bag simply slides away, revealing the speaker for the first time. And again, this is in the mocha finish. So looking at it, firstly, the striking elegance and engineering that goes into the speaker. No curve, no angle hasn't been beautifully engineered and thought through to the nth degree. The grille comes off quite easily to reveal the level of quality of product that this, and engineering behind this product. It is astonishing. The curves and styling and the way that it involves the way sound decays from it is a critical element to the performance of this speaker. Two tweeters, both protected by a little piece of steel. Silk dome, extremely lightweight. The coating process and manufacture is second to none. And their famous mid-bass drivers that you see here, a set of them. The speaker box itself does its job as far as managing airflow through both the port and standing waves and other things like that. And we see elements in the speaker like this decay here associated very specifically with the way sound may reflect off the cabinet or its surface. Every single element is beautifully well thought out, and please hang around for some photographs of this product so you can see some close-ups of some of the things that are unique to Dynaudio and get an understanding of the quality and finish of this product. Carefully turning it around, we get to have a look at the back. Again, these are made in matched pairs of wood grains, so we get the opportunity to see both the quality of the workmanship and also the amazing shine that comes with this product. At the rear is Dynaudio Confidence C2 Platinum and a massive port, and again look at the finish on this, right the way down to the bottom where we see for a moment the scan code associated with the product and its main binding post at the very bottom. If I understand correctly, the crossover network sits in the base of the speaker and then cables rise up to the individual drivers. There's curves everywhere in this, despite it looking quite square, and those curves are designed to ensure that frequencies and other things like that may reflect off surfaces are managed in the most appropriate way. So, there we go. Dynaudio's Confidence C2 Platinum floor-standing speakers, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.